Hello guys, good morning and Happy New Year. I really hope that this year brings you a lot more joy, a lot more memories, and I hope I bring you more stuff through this channel. So since it's a new year today, so I thought that I will kind of show you what a Japanese New Year looks like, and that includes like the Osechi, which I'll show you in a moment, the going to a shrine. Also, New Year's is a great event for sales, so we should probably go do some shopping today. But before that, we'll start with some coffee.
お母さんがおせちを送ってくれました。千賀屋さんのおせちです。
Oh,
開けてみよう。
yes.
早く早く。
はい。
くん来て。
Alright.
開けましておめでとうございます。
明けまして
おめでとうございます。
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year。オープンしましょう。
Yes.
マルシせーの。おー、美味しそう。いいね。これ。
おサーモンの。
見せます。
Wow.
Wow, there's so many meanings.
For
The
each of the.
Osechi.
Oh.
ね
Yeah.
じゃあ、
Yeah.
これ
Yeah.
これ栗きんとんマロンだけど、
これ
栗は黄金、ゴールドの色だから、
Oh, golden.
お金持ちになれる。Rich.
Oh, we should have more of this.
いやー、のエビちゃん
Abby, yeah.
looks like old man and woman. Like
Yeah.
people cannot
Yeah.
stand straight, so we can live longer みたいな意
Yeah.
味。
Become like this kind of.
うん。いやいやいや。
Yeah.
And これは昆布
Kombu.
という海藻 seaweed。
Oh, it's a seaweed. Okay.
喜ぶというのが joy,
Yeah.
joyness, joy
Yeah,
とい
joy.
う意味だ
Yeah.
から、like いっぱいいいことありますよね。2024年。イエイ。ごぼう。美味しい。
And also, like in New Year's, people try to clean up their houses. And ours has been a bit of a mess lately, so we'll try to clean that up as well. Oh my god. Soji Samurai. Oh my god.
やるよ。
はい。
ほら、こことクリーンアップした。
おー、
ここクリーンアップしました。
さすがやね。Okay. So now we are headed to Hatsumode, and it's basically going to a temple, and we'll be using these bikes. One of these bikes, two of these bikes. So So we are on the way to the main gate.
Main building?
Main building.
The entrance is over there.
Whoa,
Nice.
nice. 大きいね。
まず来てからちょっと待って。
はい。はい。挨拶。
2個取れちゃった。
Okay.
Okay.
My turn. どれにしよう。はい。
Okay. Let's go this way.
Okay. That's where we're going.
大吉一番いいやつ。
おお。
ビッグラック。メイは
大吉。
ペ開けて。
おめでとうございます。
ございます。
Just when you're staying in line, you have
But it's not big one.
Tiffin
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's coming in few seconds.
Let's see.
Yeah.
これ見て。レイが
New info has come.
like 津波警報。
Yeah.
Not for Kanagawa. Like just another side of the Tokyo.
Okay.
Another side of the Japan.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, but
Then let's see. Oopsie.
yeah. So we are here.
いっぱい勉強したらいいことが。
Oh no. 絶対到達する。Today was such a nice day, but we have to cancel our plans because
The tsunami
very
is
bad
coming.
earthquake has come, and it's in Ishikawa.
Ishikawa?
Yeah,
Other side of Japan, but like it's kind of big
yeah,
careful alarm.
big alarm. Yeah, so you should not take any chances, and this is the time to stock up on some bosai. Bosai kits.